Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will try to solve the PMS General Knowledge 2020 paper which was held today. The first question is PMS to Sandur Pass connects Chitral with Gilgit. Khaja Farid tomb is in Kor Mithan. Nanga Parbat's highest peak of Himalaya range. River Kabul joins Indus River near Attak. Who is the chairman of National Economic Council of Pakistan, finance minister? Abdul Rab Nishtar was the first Muslim governor of Sindh. The objective resolution was adopted by the Constitutional Assembly of Pakistan on March 12, 1949, which was presented by Prime Minister, and it was presented in the National Assembly in March 7, 1949. Noorul Amin was the only vice president in the history of Pakistan. Minimum age of senator according to the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan is 30 years minimum. The duration of Chief Election Commissioner of Pakistan according to the Constitution is 5 years. According to the, as per the higher authorities, president and governor are bound to dissolve assemblies within 48 hours. The only Muslim woman who attended roundtable conference was Begum Jahanara Shahnawaz. British sold Kashmir to Gulab Singh under Treaty of Lahore. Next is the Abdul Salam did his PhD from Cambridge University. Habba Khatun wrote down his poetry in Kashmiri language. Mushtaq Ahmad Yusufai profession was writer. Next is Luari Pass connects Chitral with Dir. Dr. Ruth Puffu was a German national. She worked in Karachi. She was a doctor of leprosy. United Nations General Assembly declared 2021 to 2030 the decade of ecosystem restoration. Most beneficial sector of Pakistan GPS plus from European Union is textile and garments. Qaid was given the title of Ambassador of Hindu-Muslim Unity by Sarojini Naidu. Jinnah resigned from Imperial Congress due to campaign of Satyagraha, which was a political anarchy. Wealth of Nation was presented by Adam Smith. The Statue of Liberty was given to United States from France. The Watergate scandal was a political scandal during the era of Nixon of United States. He was the president of US. Article 3 of the Sustainable Development Goals by the United Nations Organization is deals about the health sector. Treaty of Versailles settled peace in Europe. IMF was came into force after the Bretton Woods Conference. Anarchal Pradesh is claimed by China. A shadow cabinet is a group of politicians who hold a political post with their party, but whose party is not in government. Means opposition party. The deal of the century made by Trump peace plan between for the resolution of Israel-Palestine conflict. Longest written constitution in the world is the Constitution of India. Rex stands for a king. Ho Chi Minh led a long and ultimately successful campaign to make Vietnam independent. Continental shelf limits of Pakistan is 200 nautical miles to 350 nautical miles. In December 1991, the Russian Republic, the Union Major Constitution, changed its name. The Russian Republic changed its name from December 1991. Pak-China border agreement was came into force 1963 by the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto era. Kyoto Protocol entered into force on 16 of February 2005. Nuclear power station in Karachi was built with the help of Canada. The Holy Quran and Sunnah of the Holy Prophet peace be upon him shall be supreme law of Pakistan according to 15th Amendment of Constitution of Pakistan. Kapas Ka Phool was written by Ahmad Nadeem Qasmi. Hugo Rafil is the Venezuelan politician, was a Venezuelan politician. Bolshevik Revolution 1917. Jahangir won the World Open 6 times and the British Open Championship 10 times. The fourth cabinet, the Angela Merkel swore its government in 2018 in the fourth cabinet. Water Day 22 March. On 25 July 2017, Ram Nathal Kovind took office at 14th President of India. Abdul Hassan Isfani, Pakistan first ambassador to USA. Professor Dr. Muhammad Yazuddin Siddiqui worked under Albert Einstein. India represents what percentage of South Asian population? It is 17%. Sui gas was discovered in Pakistan in 1952. The ocean covers more than 70% of the surface of the planet. Security Council total members 15. South Asian Free Trade Area is the free trade agreement arrangement of the South Asian Association to Regional Corporation. Highest planet in the solar system is the Jupiter, and the brightest planet is the Venus. Total length of the coastline of Pakistan 1046 km. Dome of Rock is located in Jerusalem. Total SAARC countries 7. There are 6 official languages of the UNO. These are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. Second largest desert in the world after Sahara Desert is the Arabian. Which of the following country has no boundary with Syria? Syria. Iran has no boundary with Syria. Sindh from Bombay was separated in 1935. Vasco da Gama native of which state? It was the Portugal state. Vasco da Gama was a native of Portugal. Largest earth-filled dam is the Tarbela Dam in Pakistan. Arab Spring started from Tunisia. Timbuktu, famous city of Mali. Three Gorges Dam is located in China. Earth is how many years old? It is almost 5 billion years. Cirrhosis is a liver disease. And next option was what makes 14 to 70%, 17% of skeleton. I googled it, but the answer was not satisfactory. Maybe aluminium or maybe the some other option available. Vitamin produced by body and not found in fruits and vegetables. It is vitamin B12. Rocks that contain fossils are called sedimentary rocks. Ozone layer depletion is caused due to chlorofluorocarbons. Deforestation at large scale can be observed at Amazon forest. Next question was that we can recycle which of the following things many times. The water was not in the option. Maybe it can be the wood as well. Wood can be recycled for many times. Blank DVD on which data can be erased and rewritten. It is the DVD RW. Its name is DVD RW. Internet with hypertext idea was given by Ted Nelson. The first mechanical calculating machine was invented by Blaise Pascal. Web page address is searched by URL. URL is actually a web page address. Segregation opposite. Next question was the segregation. And the opposite of segregation, it is very easy. Building up something. Square of standard deviation is called. We can search it as well. Largest Nobel laureates after USA, it is Great Britain. Largest Nobel laureates after USA is Great Britain. Zerbezov, actually it is named on the sword of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Study of the life in outer space is called astrobiology. Interactions among organisms and their environment is called ecology. Wakhan corridor is located towards north of Pakistan. Wakhan corridor is located towards the north of Pakistan. All these were the questions which were asked in today's general knowledge paper, PMS, and there were also some questions related to everyday science, and there was also 5 to 6 questions which was basic mathematics questions. इसके अलावा मैंने जितने भी थे ना इसमें क्वेश्चन जीके में, तो सारे मैंने अपलोड कर दिए हैं। यहाँ से कैंडिडेट्स अपना चेक कर सकते हैं कि कितने उनके मतलब सही बनते हैं। यहाँ से वो अपना जो है कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑडियंस। होपफुली वी विल came to some more lectures. Stay tuned with us. Allah Hafiz.